Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you are all fine and welcome to my channel Sdlc. In previous videos we discussed about the stages of Sdlc and types of Sdlc. In the types of Sdlc we discussed about waterfall model and spiral model. Who are new to my channel and who didn't watch those videos, please go and watch it. You will get the flow of the learning here and you have idea that what is happening in the course. Okay guys, let's start today's topic VNV model. Guys, VNV model is a little bit lengthy topic, so I divided this topic into three parts. In first part we are going to study about stage 1 in VNV model and remaining second, third and fourth stages will be discussed in further upcoming videos. Okay guys, let's start today's topic. VNV model is a step-by-step procedure to develop a software by the IT company as per requirements given by the customer. It is a common definition given to each and every model. Guys, we choose VNV model to overcome the drawbacks of, to overcome the disadvantages of waterfall model and spiral model. Further, we choose VNV model, VNV model, and VNV model is known as verification and validation model. Okay, and what is the stage 1 in VNV model? Stage 1 is acceptance testing. In stage 1 what happens now, whenever customer gives a requirement to the business analyst, then business analysts make down that all requirements in a document which is in business language. The document is called as customer requirement specification, CRS. After collecting the requirements by the business analyst, he will come back to the IT company and he will hand over this document CRS which is in business language to the project manager. Then project manager will conduct a meeting called as round table meeting. This meeting is also known as feasibility study. In this meeting what happens now, they will discuss about the requirements given by the customer. If this meeting is successfully done and the project is accepted by the project manager, then this CRS document will given to the both teams, development team and testing team. Development team will start to convert this CRS document into SRS document, and at the same time testing team will review the entire CRS. Okay, if testing team will find any mistakes in CRS, they will file a report, mistake report, and they will share to the development team and business analyst. See, while reviewing the CRS by the testing team, they will identify certain mistakes which are known as missing CRS, wrong CRS, conflict CRS. Okay, after filing a mistake report and shared to the development team and business analyst, here business analyst will understand what is a mistake and he will speak to the customer, and he will get the new modified requirement from customer and he will share to both teams, development team and testing team. This entire stage is known as acceptance testing. I hope you got the points here. Then what are those mistakes? One is conflict CRS. That conflicts is nothing but any requirement in the CRS which makes confusion, which creates confusion to the software engineers to understand the requirement, is known as conflict CRS. For example, we take a bank application and I choose a bank application because we are all or directly or indirectly connected to the bank. So we choose bank application here. Whatever the requirements given by the customer to develop a bank application, in the requirements we have one page that is loan section. In that loan section they mention that loan should be approved by the loan manager in page number 34. In page number 2 there mention that loan should be approved by the bank manager. See, these two requirements creates the confusion to the software engineer to understand the requirement. This is known as conflict, which creates the confusion to understand the requirement by the software engineers. Is called as conflict CRS. Then we move on second mistake, that is missing CRS. It is something which is not documented properly by the business analyst. The requirement which is not properly documented by the business analyst in CRS document is called as missing CRS. It is an example that we have the loan section. In loan section we have three loans. One is personal, second and mortgage, and that is home loans. Here we have the detailed description of the personal loans and detailed description of the home loans, but we didn't have the detailed description of the mortgage loans. So we file a report here which is called as missing CRS, and we'll share this missing CRS mistake report to the development team and business analyst, and they will take care of it and they will share us modified requirement. Then we should again review the CRS. Then last mistake is that wrong CRS. See, something is wrongly documented by the business analyst. Got it? Means the requirements which are present in the CRS is wrongly documented by business analyst itself. Here what happens now? In the given requirement, when you open an interest, means loans, when you click on the loan section, we get the loans details there, and we found some interest rates. We have two types of interest rate, that is fixed interest and floating interest. See here, fixed interest and floating interest both has same interest, same charge of interest. See, fixed interest has loan should charge 7% as fixed interest. Here floating should charge 7% as fixed interest. Sections are different but description is same. It is a mistake. So what is mistake? Wrong CRS. So we file a mistake report here which is known as wrong CRS, and we will share to the development team and business analyst. These are all about stage 1, and what are the mistakes found by test engineers in stage 1. This is all about it. And one more important thing is that once the CRS is perfect, means once our CRS is perfect and properly documented, then we'll start to prepare the test plans and test cases for acceptance testing. This stage is called as acceptance testing. See, I know that some of you don't know about what is test plan and test case. We will detailedly discuss about test plan and test cases in further upcoming videos. Okay guys, I will recap the all important points again. And last, see, VNA model is nothing but step-by-step process to develop a software. We choose VNA model to overcome the drawbacks of waterfall model and spiral model. It is called as verification and validation model. In stage one, business analyst collects the requirements from the customer and he gives requirements to the project manager. He will conduct a meeting called roundtable meeting. They will discuss about it. If the meeting is successfully done, if they accept the project, then we'll move on further stages. Development team start CRS, convert the CRS into SRS, and testing team will start review the CRS. If testing team found any mistake, they will file a mistake report and share the development team. We have three types of mistakes. One is conflict, second one is missing, third is wrong. Conflict means which creates a confusion to software engineers to understand the requirement is called as conflict CRS. And missing CRS is nothing but it is not properly documented by the business analyst. Business analyst is called as missing report. And last mistake is that wrong CRS. Wrong CRS nothing but requirements given by the business analyst itself is wrong. Whatever the requirements given by the business analyst, that document itself wrong. This is called as wrong CRS. And whenever our CRS is properly documented and perfect, then we start to prepare the test plan and test cases for acceptance testing. This entire stage is known as acceptance testing. And thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you all understand, and if you like the video, like and subscribe, and have a great day guys. Tata, see you, and we will meet in next video. Thank you guys, bye.